Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Google Chrome is crashing immediately upon opening. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to go about resolving this problem by opening up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should go back with Control Panel listed right above App. Set your view by to large icons, and then select where it says Programs and Features and go ahead and left click on that. Select Google Chrome and then select Uninstall. Select Yes if you receive the user account control prompt. Select Uninstall. And once you've done that, close out of here and restart your system. Okay, so once your computer's restarted, go ahead and open up a web browser. And into Google, whatever web browser you're choosing, just type in Google Chrome and just search for it. Go ahead to google.com. There should be a domain that says Google Chrome. Download the fast, secure browser. Just go ahead and open that up. Again, it should be from a Google domain here. Just give it a second to load up. And from here, you want to go ahead and select the Download Chrome button. You can uncheck the box to help make Chrome better by sending usage statistics. You don't have to keep it checkmarked. I usually uncheck it just for my own personal use. But anyway, close out of here. If you receive a security notice, go ahead and select Run. Select Yes if you receive the user account control prompt. And then once that's done, Chrome should open back up, and then if you sign back in, you should be able to resync your extensions, history, that kind of thing. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.